Hi guys, and welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're gonna see how we can unblur a video, and you're gonna see in this video that the process we're gonna use is very simple, and the results will be as great as you're seeing them in this video clip. So basically, when talking about videos, the most common cause of a blurry footage is, for example, camera shake, low resolution, motion blur, and so on. We have a lot of different factors, but in this video, we're gonna use a software that will help us to unblur these types of videos. In this video, we're gonna use Aiarty Video Enhancer. This is a very good tool that you can use, and it is an AI-powered video enhancement tool that will allow us to enhance our videos, and to be more exact, the theme of the video, to deblur our videos using certain AI models and allowing us to customize all the settings. I'm gonna insert here two videos so that we can test how Aiarty Video Enhancer works, and we have here two different videos that are different in every aspect. First of all, we have here a bird that has more details, and then we have here a canyon that includes less details, and it is even blurrier than the first video. Of course, one of the advantages of this software is that we can deblur these videos, and we can use different settings and customize those settings to match the video type, and also all the options that we will apply to every video individually will be saved. So first of all, for this eagle video, let's go and select the AI model. We have three different AI models that we can use. For example, let's select the smooth AI model, and here we're also going to get some AI model information, and then we're going to get the AI model to see how it's working in this video type. So as you can see, it is doing a pretty good job. We have this big preview area in the left side of the software that we can use. You can also play around with these options if you want to zoom in and so on. So I think that is pretty nice, but you can see that the details are very nicely preserved using this new AI model. And for the second video, we're going to use another AI model. We're going to use the Mo Detail AI model, which is the first one and the most general one, if you ask me. So as you can see, it is doing a very nice job. This is also a video that has a low resolution, and with Aiarty Video Enhancer, you can also upscale it. One other thing that we can customize in Aiarty Video Enhancer is the strength of the model that is applied. So as you can see, it is basically applied 100% now, but we can lower it down if we don't want it to be applied 100%. In this case, I think it is best to be applied 100%. And then if we move on to the canyon video, here we can maybe lower it down a bit so that it won't look AI generated, but an original video that was improved using AI. So of course, for different videos, we're going to use different values here in the strength setting, and of course we can customize the options so that the video will look the best. Another new feature related to Aiarty Video Enhancer is in the colors section, and if you scroll down, you're going to have here the option HDR, which is an experimental feature right now, and if we select it, we're going to notice that we can use an AI model to convert SDR videos to HDR. So I think this is also pretty nice, and we can use the graded option. We can play around with the strength and see how it is looking. Of course, we'll have to select the color, and this will be turned into an HDR video, even though it is SDR. And then we can do the same thing for the eagle video as well. We're going to go to color, then select the HDR option to play around with it, and we can use a different AI model if we want. The export process is very simple. Inside Aiarty Video Enhancer, you can export the current video or even use batch export, and inside export settings, of course, you can customize the format, the video and audio codec, and also if you want, you can use the turbo mode, which will basically get you a faster exporting speed, but with a slight quality trade-off. In my case, I'm not going to use that because I have two small videos and the exporting process should not take that long. And what we're going to do, we're going to select the output path to desktop, and then we're going to click on batch export to export our two videos, which will also be automatically upscaled from a low resolution to a high resolution, and then we can see the final results. And now after the process is finished, we can see the final results. You can see a before and after comparison, and as you can see, the visual improvement is clear, and the upscaling feature has also done a really good job. Basically, we now have some videos that were low resolution, blurry, and now they have a high resolution and are now very clear. So I think Aiarty Video Enhancer did a really good job. Of course, other features related to Aiarty Video Enhancer, it can also help you fix grainy videos using the 3 AI models that it provides. It also allows you to upscale videos. From here, you can select different types of upscaling. So for example, you can select even X4 upscaling if you want. You can also adjust the colors of the video by playing around with all the options, and also frame interpolation, which will allow you to also improve the frame rate of a video. In addition to this, it also has a function for audio denoise, which will basically remove the background noise. That is also pretty nice for videos taken, let's say, in a city or even in nature. My overall opinion on Aiarty Video Enhancer is that it is one of the best, if not the best software out there that you can use to improve your blurry videos, even denoise or upscale your low quality videos, and the AI models that that it provides will do their job, and of course you're going to be able to bring life back to your videos. You can try out Aiarty Video Enhancer today. Make sure to check out the description below if you want to do so, and all the information you need will be there. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.